What's going on, guys? It's K-Dub here with another episode of Crypto Zombie. Yes, I am coming to you today from the box of shame, guys. I'm in the Dominican Republic on vacation right now. I have absolutely horrible Wi-Fi. The lighting is terrible. I don't have my green screen with me. I tried to do a live stream last night. It was absolutely horrible. So thank you for putting up with all of this madness lately. However, I still want to make as many videos as possible. So thank you so much for coming back to my channel, guys. And here is some of the news that I was able to dig up today on this Thursday. Let's see. So, yeah, the market cap is still kind of rolling around, taking a little bit of a fall again, $254.58 billion market cap. Bitcoin dominance, even though it took a little bit of a hit, it's still on its way creeping upwards. And if we look at some of the biggest gainers of today, we actually have Tron, Poet, Economy, Ontology, SIRIN Labs, and several others. So all of these have pretty good reasons why they've been moving up. Economy, I'm not really 100% too sure about because that was a real quick spike and then it kind of just fell back down. But yeah, we're going to get into that right now. Actually, if we just start off with Tron real quick, it looks like Tron actually has been listed on Upbit with trading pairs for BTC, Ethereum, and Korean, and also on Upbit. Also, guys, I've heard there's some news coming out of Tron. They're keeping it on the low right now. Even I don't know, but I heard there might be something big coming out of the Tron camp. So just keep your eyes on that. All right. But as far as a little bit of a joke I saw today, it says, "Dad, why is my sister's name Chanel?" Because your mother loves that perfume. Thanks, Dad. You're welcome. Buying at the all-time high. Right? So anyway, I wanted to also talk about Verge. So Verge is forced to fork after suffering a 51% attack. I don't know if you guys heard about this. I heard about it last night, and Verge lost up to 25% of its value as news surfaced of an apparent hack which developers resolved by accidentally initiating a hard fork. So a bug that allowed manipulation of block mining timestamps, right? So what happened was this bug created a potential for illegitimate coins to appear from absolutely nowhere. So there is currently a 51% attack going on with Verge, which exploits a bug in retargeting in the XVG code. Due to several bugs in the code, you can exploit this feature by mining blocks with a spoofed timestamp. When you submit a mined block as a malicious miner or pool, you simply set a false timestamp to this block 1 hour ago, and Verge XVG will think that the last block mined on that algo was 1 hour ago. So then OC Miner wrote, "You guys are aware that the fix you pushed is actually a hard fork, right? So your blockchain snapshot is not valid anymore. The wallets won't sync up from scratch anymore, and the current chain is simply not usable anymore with this new fix." So analysis by Supernova suggested the hack stopped April 5th, which is today. He says, "I skimmed the logs and saw the attacker started the new attack at around block 2014060 and stopped just now at block 2026196. Verge's latest official Twitter update was published a little bit ago, claiming that funds were only exploitable for 3 hours. They say we had a very small hack attack that lasted about 3 hours earlier this morning. It's been cleared up now. We will be implementing even more redundancy checks for things of this nature in the future." So that's what's happening with Verge, guys. Yeah, 51% attacks. That's a possibility. I've spoken about that a lot on my channel, guys. So also, going on the news that I was talking about the other day with all the big situation with Centra and the debacle and the guys getting arrested. So it looks like Binance is officially delisting Centra token as of today, guys. So that is possibly not too good news. However, what I thought was kind of crazy was right before I went to sleep last night. So here we are right here, right? We had the dump after the announcement, and then all of a sudden right here, it's just like, boom, somebody just pumped it up again. So yeah, I mean, not financial advice, guys. I wouldn't buy this. I wouldn't get involved in it. I don't know what's going on with this pump right here. I don't know why people are trying to get squeeze their last little pennies out of this, but I wouldn't touch it. Personally, I wouldn't touch it, guys. It's way too risky at this point. Also, another thing, too, that I wanted to kind of talk about. Now, we always talk about insider information and trading and stuff like that. Groestlcoin. I've been following Groestlcoin since before it was even talked about, okay? I knew a guy who does affiliate marketing, and he told me about this coin over a year ago, okay? About getting involved in this coin at a mere, it was 0.00004 cents at the time. And he bought $10,000 worth of it. Now, they were heavily involved in some pumps that were going on. There's probably not a lot of information on this, and this is just my word against everybody else's. I don't have any proof of this, but I'm telling you that Groestlcoin started out as a pump and dump coin. That's what it was. Not originally when it came out, okay? But I'm saying it kind of got forgotten about. It was sort of a project that was kind of going under. And then a lot of people started looking at it. It was back when people were looking at these ASIC resistance coins. It was a big thing, big topic that was going on last year. You had Vertcoin, Groestlcoin. There was a whole bunch of other coins that were really getting a lot of attention at the time. So now Binance is currently listing this project. Now, I'm not saying this isn't a good project. I'm just telling you that I know for a while there were a lot of people that were getting involved in pump and dumps with this coin. I think now the coin has surfaced and has, reestablished itself as a potential, project, and it's not what it used to be, but I'm just letting you guys know. But one of the funniest things that I see is that they list this, right, on Binance, and they put this news up a day ago, and if you come and you look at the charts, look at this. Look at how it's doing absolutely nothing. Nothing. No one's paying any attention to it, and then boom. Look at this initial spike right here, and then the sell-off, and then the news comes out. Look at this right here. Now, if you guys don't call that price manipulation, like, how did these people know right here? How did these people right here know to buy before the news even came out? Okay? There's a lot of shady stuff going on, guys. There's a lot of shady stuff going on in crypto, and you have to be careful. But one of the good things I wanted to talk about, too, you guys know I love high-performance blockchain. I made a video about it. I've spoken about it several times. I've included it in multiple of my top coin videos. I think high-performance blockchain is amazing because moving forward, we cannot simply rely on just the blockchain technology. We need hardware. We need these hardware chips to integrate with the software. I think that's going to be a very integral solution, especially to scalability in the future. So we had the public testing, the launching of the testnet, right? And then here's a little bit of what they had to say in regards to that. One of the biggest things I wanted to talk about was how many transactions per second they were actually able to achieve. So you had the public beta test come out, right? So then they have hardware testing on our testnet system has been completed. The ARM plus blockchain offload engine node has run properly at high performance using HPB technology. ECC signature verification currently reaches 30,000 verifications per second, guys. This is sufficient performance to convince the high-performance block team that 1 million verifications per second can be reached with proper optimization. So guys, high-performance blockchain, 30,000 transactions, verifications, whatever you want to call it. That is awesome news. Also, going back to some of those top gainers, we had SIRIN Labs right here, up 12%. What is going on with SIRIN Labs? Well, if you guys haven't heard, they say in their tweet, SIRIN Labs is incredibly excited to announce that it has chosen FIH Mobile or Foxconn International Holding to manufacture the Feng smartphone. So if you guys checked out my video on SIRIN Labs, I spoke about Feng and I spoke about the encryption they were going to be using with the toggle switch and the double-sided phones. So with this development, we are taking a huge leap forward to bring the Go crypto revolution to the mainstream. And then if you guys want, there's an article right here on Bloomberg, and you can come and have a look at that. I didn't actually have a chance to pull it up. As you guys can see, look how bad this internet service is at this place. Look how long that just took me to load this. So if you want, you can come over here and check this article out. You can go right off their Twitter to find it if you guys are interested. So another thing I wanted to talk about was Reuqest Network. So Reuqest Network officially goes live and allows you to integrate crypto payments onto your website. So if you guys are unfamiliar with Reuqest Network, it's the protocol which provides individuals and corporations with the tools they need to develop blockchain-based financial solutions for processes ranging from invoicing to loans. They just announced that their network is officially live. This is a landmark moment for the project, guys. A culmination of months of testing and groundwork that has preceded it. Users can now use the network to send payment requests. Also, you can use it to connect your wallet with MetaMask or Ledger, which I think is freaking awesome, creating, sending, and paying requests in Ethereum, paying the same request multiple times, so you could possibly have a subscription method, which we've been really trying to figure out how the heck to get that going on in crypto, updating a broadcasted request, checking all outstanding and incoming requests associated with an ETH address, and also, guys, For developers, an important stakeholder in the network, this launch means that they can develop, build, and launch software without requiring permission from third parties. So with this barrier removed, Reuqest Network could be on path for extreme growth in the future. The other thing I wanted to also mention is their burning mechanism. So the team has also introduced a new mechanism to catalyze the ecosystem's growth called the burning mechanism, where the user pays a small fee for using the network where he or she creates a request on the network. This fee can be anywhere from 0.1% to 0.005% of the payment amount requested. It's stored in a burner smart contract and is used only when someone interacts with the contract by calling the burn function. The maximum fee for the request is $1.50. Also, they're looking for the ERC20 management, because currently they're only utilizing Ethereum. But to facilitate a wider range of transactions, the team has developed an ERC20 token integration feature that is now functional on the testnet level. This allows requests and payments to be made on any ERC20 token. It is currently undergoing an audit and will be released on the mainnet afterwards. I also wanted to speak about some of the things after Q1. As we continue into Q2, they will be supporting Bitcoin, more ERC20 tokens, creating advanced payment conditions, encrypting data to ensure privacy, and considering various scaling solutions such as Lightning and Plasma. So that is really awesome news, guys. Also, real quick, I wanted to actually talk about Lightning Network for a second, but real quick, guys, I just wanted to throw it out there. Charles Hoskinson posted this post, and he said, we've started early registration for people who are interested in operating a stake pool at staking.cardano.org, okay? Staking.cardano.org. This is for those who want to beta test on the testnet once available. So if you go to the website, you come over here, you can register for the staking pool, and if that's something that you're interested in supporting the development, the growth, and being involved in Cardano now, go ahead, guys, get involved. Why not join a pool? That's what they're there for, community support. Let's do it. So this is what I want to talk about with the Lightning Network. I wanted to talk about how the first Android mobile app has officially hit Google Play. So the first user mobile app built for Bitcoin's Lightning Network has officially launched. It's called Eclair Wallet. So Eclair Wallet is available for Android users from the Google Play Store. The Eclair Wallet is next generation Lightning ready Bitcoin wallet. It can be used as regular Bitcoin wallet, or you can connect to the Lightning Network for cheap and instant payments. The software is based upon Eclair and it follows the Lightning Network standard. The release is just the latest in a series of major steps to mainstream adoption that Lightning Network has already started to make earlier this year, and the growth in options has been made possible due to SegWit technology gaining acceptance on the Bitcoin main network. So great news moving forward, guys. Also, on one final funny little note, interesting note, I should say, I was over here on the cryptocurrency Reddit, and this person wanted to just note that Satoshi chose this particular date for his birthday. So Satoshi's birthday is May 1st, okay? And it's funny because it says, under executive order of the president issued April 5th, 1933, all persons are required to deliver on or before May 1st, 1933, all gold coin, gold bullion, and gold certificates now owned by them to the Federal Reserve. So I don't know if that's like a political statement or what. I'm trying to read some of the comments down here. This guy says Executive Order 6102 required all persons to deliver it, their gold bullions. I remember hearing stuff about this, so that's really interesting. I don't know the validity of that, but that's pretty crazy if that's actually his birthday or why he chose that day as his birthday, if it was some sort of a political statement or something. I don't know. What do you guys think? That's up to you. Could it be a coincidence, or is it some kind of a political statement? Nobody knows. So guys, I want to say thank you again for coming back to my channel. I know it totally sucks. I can't do live streams, and I know the box of doom and the lighting, I'm probably just a dark box in the bottom. There's really nothing I could do, guys. There's no other way to get lighting in here. But I just want to say thanks for coming back to my channel, guys. You are the best, and I hope you guys enjoyed the news. I will be coming at you all week like this, so just get ready. This is how we're going to do it. But that being said, guys, I hope you're having a phenomenal week. Looking forward to the weekend as usual. And until next time, guys, obviously, stay crypto. Oh, wait, I forgot to say, my name's K-Dub. This is Crypto Zombie. Okay, now, on that note, stay crypto. And of course, guys, peace out.